Okay, welcome back to Kitchen Hacks, and this is a very simple hack, and this is just I suppose a skill more than a hack that every working chef in the industry knows, and it's how to use a knife safely and correctly for cutting. Okay, so what I have here is my chopping knife, and I'm going to cut an imaginary item. Okay, so first of all we want this motion here, okay, like that, like a boat in the ocean. Okay, and that's how you want to cut. You want to go like that, so that you're cutting, shredding through the item as opposed to chopping down and bruising it. Okay. Now, to hold that item, we need what I call the claw. Okay, like an eagle's claw. All right. And we want to put the eagle claw, and that will secure the item that you're cutting. Okay. And what we see then is that your fingertips are never in the way of the knife being cut. Otherwise, if you hold an item like that, at some point you're going to come along, the knife will slip or whatever will happen, and you're going to cut the tops off your fingers. Okay? So what we want to do is we want to bend our fingers like so. Okay? So what we have here is this part here of your finger is what touches the side of the blade. Okay? Like so. Okay? Yeah? So you can see my fingertips are well out of the way. They're nowhere near the blade. Okay? And what I have then is I secure the item with my hand, like in the shape of a claw, and then I shred back along. And as I can also then feed the item through to the blade. But like I said, my fingertips are never near the blade. So that's a very simple kitchen hack. It's one of the secrets, I suppose, of the industry or the trade that every chef must master in order to cut items. Okay? So if you like this and you like my other videos, please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again soon.